Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to master your credit score in just a few minutes. Your credit score is super important for things like getting loans, renting an apartment, or scoring the best insurance rates. If you're looking to build or boost your credit, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what even is a credit score? It's a number ranging from 300 to 850 that tells lenders how trustworthy you are with credit. The higher, the better. The main factors influencing your score are 1. Payment history, that's 35%. Always pay your bills on time. 1. Credit utilization, that's 30%. Keep your balances low. 1. Length of credit history, 15%. The longer the better. 1. Credit mix, 10%. A mix of credit cards and loans helps. 1. New credit inquiries, 10%. Don't open too many accounts at once. Now if you're just starting out or need to rebuild, start small with a secured credit card. It works like a regular card, but needs a deposit. Use it wisely to build a positive payment history. Always pay on time. Set reminders or automate your payments. Late payments can linger on your report for 7 years, so consistency is key. Keep your credit utilization low. This is how much credit you're using. Aim for below 30%, ideally under 10%. This shows lenders you manage credit well. Avoid closing old accounts. Length of credit history matters. Even if you're not using an old card, keeping it open can help your score. Monitor your credit report. Check it regularly to catch errors or fraud. You can get a free report yearly from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Fixing mistakes can boost your score. Limit new credit applications. Each application adds a hard inquiry to your report, which can temporarily lower your score. Apply only when necessary. Be patient and consistent. Building credit takes time. Stick with these steps and you'll see improvement. The habits you form today will shape your financial future. In conclusion, improving your credit score boils down to responsible financial behavior. Pay on time, keep balances low, and monitor your credit. Take control of your credit today. It's your gateway to financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances.